Today, I want to remind every young person of something very important. You see, every morning you wake up, it is a gift from God. The fact that you open your eyes today means that God has given you another opportunity to live, to learn, to grow, and to become a better person than you were yesterday. Many people had plans for today but never got the chance to see it. But you did. So don't waste this precious opportunity. Now ask yourself a simple but powerful question. What is my place in this world? What has God allowed me to be alive today? What unique gift, talent, skills, or idea has He placed in me that can change or that can make a difference in my family, my community, or even the world? Then ask yourself another question. What is the one thing that I can do that can change my life? Sometimes we think our lives will change because of one big miracle. But because of one big miracle. But that is not the reality. Sometimes our life can change by simply reading a book, not by simply spending so many hours on social media. Our life can also be changed by learning a new skill, or applying for a job, or saving money a little, or even exercising, or improving your prayer and your relationship with God. So think about that. Sometimes you don't wait for a big miracle to happen. Just small decisions that are right, that are on purpose. It is those decisions that can change your life. Remember, successful people are not successful because they did everything at once. They became successful because they consistently did the right thing, one day at a time. Every tree started as a small seed. Every successful person once took a single step in the right direction. So, dear young person, don't wake up just to pass another day. Wake up with a purpose. Wake up with a mission. Make every day count. Before you sleep tonight, ask yourself, did I do one thing today that brought me closer to the person I want to become? If the answer is yes, then you are moving in the right direction. Think deeply about what I'm telling you, because your future is not created in one day. It is created by what you choose to do every single day. A word to the wise is enough. Thank you.